from the dentist, slightly sore, slightly numb, but the ozone therapy treatment was neat. I guess the science behind it is that there's this massive oxidative burst. So it's pure oxygen, this gas that through a syringe they inject into whatever spot. And those critters that like to wreak havoc in your body, especially bacteria, cannot survive where there's that alkaline environment. So my dentist said he does this therapy all the time on people who've had root canals, if there are abscesses, if people do have something like wisdom teeth removal. And it's just a really natural way with virtually no side effects to clean things out. So it's recommended that you do it a few times. It's not usually just a one and done, but with people who've had root canals, whenever they get their cleaning once or twice a year, he usually just does a little like gas in there for maintenance. So I'm really happy about it. I've gone to 3 different holistic dentists and they're all different, right? Like what level of out of the boxedness are they? The one I went to was wild. He had crystals everywhere. There were like singing bowls clanging as the background music. And he was really big into looking at traditional Chinese medicine and the meridian lines and how it meets up with your teeth. So when you're having issues with a certain tooth, what meridian line, what energy center, what organs are linked to that tooth. So yeah, I went in for a tooth that sits in alignment with the thyroid. It's been bugging me for a decade. And of course, I've had a thyroid thing going on since I was 10. So that was just nuts. Anyway, I didn't go to that woohoo crazy man. He's too far away. The gentleman I went to here in town is much more normal. He's great, though he could use a few more crystals at the office. But he just injected, I'm like, this tooth bugs me, this bugs me. I talked to my totally nutso phenomenal naturopath and he was like, yeah, man, get the ozone in there. I'm testing, that would be good for you. Wah. So I told the dentist and he's like, okay, your naturopath recommended it, fine. He poked around, looked around and said, it absolutely can't hurt. Let's do this, girl. So he put a dull syringe all around that thyroid tooth. One sec, baby. I'm just making a video. I'm almost done. And then he put like a full-on needle in the hole where it would have been my wisdom teeth. So I'm going to give it a week to settle and go back again and see if it helps with some of the pain and stuff I've been going through. But this, I'm going to tell all my friends about this. This oxygen therapy is totally neat. Anyway, happy, healthy teeth.